Kai Haley. I lead the design relations team at Google. I'm also one of the core leads of our Google Sprint Master Academy.
I work at Nike and I'm a product manager.
I'm Alexandra. I work for Audible. I'm a senior UX design manager.
My name is Bill Bangs. I work for Boeing Global Services, based out of Denver, Colorado, part of the product design group. Without understanding what the problem is, sometimes it works really well. Other times we have the wrong stakeholders in the room, we have the wrong problem defined, and so we just miss the mark.
We usually would contract out to agencies to do large projects. We wouldn't know if they were going to sink or fail until they launched. We looked inwards and started building our own teams to deliver those same things, but we're repeating the same mistakes.
We have a lot of different stakeholders, and so getting alignment and getting agreed on what is the root cause of the problem, not just the symptoms, is important for us.
Types of challenges we might take on usually are around business goals, like something like conversions or engagement or acquisition, but there's a lot of nuance in there.
This would allow us to evaluate potential ideas and problems a lot sooner and actually have more confidence in the solutions we deliver.
Any tools that we have for making it more efficient and faster will be really helpful.
So I'm very focused on getting that part right.